Ever thought a windowless bathroom or bedroom could feel like a green oasis? Believe it or not, you don't need sunlight streaming through windows to enjoy the magic of indoor plants. In today's video, we're diving into 25 stunning plants that thrive in the shadows, breathe life into dull corners, and even improve air quality while looking gorgeous. 1. Snake plant. Meet the superhero of indoor plants. The snake plant doesn't just look sleek with its tall, sword-like leaves. It's also a natural air purifier that works overtime, even at night. It releases oxygen while you sleep, making it perfect for bedrooms. In bathrooms, it happily soaks up humidity without a fuss, staying evergreen and gorgeous. 2. Nothing says tranquility like the peace lily. Its elegant white blooms and glossy leaves are more than just pretty. They absorb moisture and mold spores, keeping your bathroom fresh and clean. Plus, it brings a peaceful vibe to bedrooms, giving you that zen-like atmosphere for a good night's rest. 3. ZZ plant. Low light? No problem. The ZZ plant is a true survivor, with its glossy, deep green leaves making any dull corner shine. It's not just beautiful, it also quietly filters toxins from the air, giving your space a constant touch of freshness. 4. Pothos. Pothos is the ultimate trailing beauty that never fails to impress. It cascades gracefully from shelves or hanging pots, making even the smallest spaces feel alive. Plus, it's an air-purifying powerhouse, perfect for stuffy bedrooms and humid bathrooms. 5. Philodendron Heartleaf. Add some heart to your home, literally. The Philodendron Heartleaf, with its adorable heart-shaped leaves, radiates warmth and comfort. It's a perfect pick for low-light bedrooms or bathrooms that could use a touch of nature's charm. 6. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant is tough as nails and just as dependable. It thrives on neglect and brings a touch of understated elegance to any room. Whether it's a steamy bathroom or a dim bedroom, this plant won't let you down. 7. Dreaming of a tropical oasis? The bamboo palm is here to deliver. With its soft, arching fronds, it turns your bathroom into a spa and your bedroom into a retreat. And it's busy behind the scenes, purifying the air while you relax. 8. Boston fern. Fluffy, feathery, and fabulous. That's the Boston fern for you. This humidity-loving plant thrives in steamy bathrooms, creating a lush rainforest vibe. And in bedrooms, its soft greenery adds a calming, cozy touch. 9. Spider plant. The spider plant is the life of the party. Its arching leaves and tiny spiderets bring energy to any space, while it quietly absorbs moisture in bathrooms and purifies the air in bedrooms. It's a classic for a reason. 10. Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreen is like a work of art with its stunning, patterned leaves. It doesn't just beautify your space, it cleans the air, making it a fresh and vibrant addition to any bathroom or bedroom. 11. Rubber plant. Bold, dramatic, and full of personality, the rubber plant is your go-to for making a statement. It's a natural air detoxifier, so your bedroom feels fresher, and its glossy leaves thrive even in the humid conditions of a bathroom. 12. Maidenhair fern. Delicate but determined, the maidenhair fern adds an elegant touch to bathrooms with its lacy, cascading fronds. It loves moisture, making it feel right at home in steamy spaces, while its soft texture adds charm to bedrooms. 13. Lucky bamboo. Bring in good fortune and a serene vibe with lucky bamboo. Perfect for low-light bathrooms and bedrooms, this plant's upright growth and soothing green stems create a zen atmosphere wherever it's placed. 14. Bird's nest. Fern. The bird's nest fern is like a piece of tropical paradise indoors. Its wavy, bright green fronds give a fresh, lively look to bathrooms and bedrooms alike. Plus, it loves the humidity, so no worries about keeping it happy. 15. Calathea. With its striking patterns and vibrant colors, Calathea is like having a piece of living art in your home. Known as the prayer plant, it even moves its leaves throughout the day, adding a dynamic, playful vibe to any room. 16th golden barrel cactus. Who says cacti can't thrive indoors? The golden barrel cactus brings a quirky, desert-inspired touch to small spaces, while its compact size makes it perfect for bathroom shelves or bedside tables. 17th, parlor palm. Add a touch of vintage elegance with the parlor palm. Its soft, arching fronds look like something out of a Victorian greenhouse, and it quietly cleans the air, creating a fresher, more refined space. 18. Monstera adansonii. Famous for its unique whole-filled leaves, the Monstera adansonii is a showstopper. It adds texture and personality to bedrooms while thriving in the humid environment of a bathroom. 19. Aloe vera. Practical and pretty, aloe vera is a must-have. Its soothing gel is handy for skincare, while its minimalist design adds a clean, modern vibe to any room. 20. Dracaena marginata. With its bold, spiky leaves, the Dracaena marginata commands attention. It's a fantastic air purifier and brings height and structure to windowless bathrooms and bedrooms. 21st. English ivy. Timeless and elegant, English ivy is perfect for draping over bathroom shelves or bedroom walls. It's not just pretty, it also reduces mold and freshens the air. 22nd. Prayer plant. The prayer plant's vibrant colors and quirky moving leaves make it a lively addition to any space. It's perfect for adding personality to low-light bedrooms or bathrooms. 23rd. Aglaonema red. Add a pop of color with the Aglaonema red. Its stunning red-tinted leaves brighten up even the darkest spaces, making bedrooms and bathrooms look lively and fresh. 24. Anthurium. Anthuriums bring a touch of luxury with their bold red flowers and shiny leaves. They not only add color, but also improve air quality, making your space vibrant and healthy. 25. Dieffenbachia Dumb Cane. Dieffenbachia's dramatic patterned leaves make it a statement piece for any room. It's a natural air cleaner, making enclosed spaces feel more inviting and breathable. Thanks for joining us on this green adventure. Which plant caught your eye for your bathroom or bedroom? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant magic. Until next time, happy planting.